Today we will talk about the method of displaying the project browser in the Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Project Browser organizes different views, elements, and objects within a project in a systematic way. While working on a project, if the project browser does not appear in the drawing working area, I will tell you how to display it. The first way to display the project browser is to go in the context menu by right-clicking on the blank space in the drawing working area and select project browser in the further drop-down list under the browsers. The project browser will be displayed. Doing the same again will hide the project browser. In the second method, project browser will appear by selecting the user interface drop-down list in View tab and by checking project browser box, and project browser will hide by unchecking the same button. You can use any of these methods to display the project browser. So, that was the today's topic of displaying project browser in Revit. Hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.